Ooh. Oh, we're on. Sorry. Hello, I'm Mike.
I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
So today we're going to talk about
Process. Always have a process. We have a process. Really what we're going to do today is tell you
I need to stand when I talk. So.
Unteach some of the things that you might have learned.
Or as I like to say, unlearn what you have learned.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
This is live. We cannot re-record this. So we're going to unteach what you may have learned on home improvement shows, maybe things that you've read about with home improvement, because you don't leave a house for 3 months and then come back to it and it's remodeled and it's beautiful and you love the paint color and everything's great. There really has to be a process between the contractor and you to go from A to Z. So usually with Behind the Drywall, we're at one of our job sites. Today, we're here at our office, and this is where the process starts. So with that, Michael, what's
my turn?
Our first part of our process?
The first part is obviously a phone call. So the client will either call us or we return the message.
Hello.
And that is where typically Molly is the one talking. Shock. And I tend to be out in the field a little bit more. So really on that first phone call, it's a matter of seeing if it's the right kind of project, the right fit, to make sure that we're the right fit for that type of project. So after that, we set up an appointment to come over to the house. And it's both Molly and I will visit the client at the home and really get more of a feel for the overall project, the size, the scope, pictures, type of selections. Then
we take notes.
Lots of notes. Then if, again, that's really kind of an interview. You're interviewing us, we're interviewing you. And if we feel then it's a right fit or potentially a right fit, then we enter into a development contract. And the development contract is really where we start to select materials and price out the project and come up with designs, get engineers involved.
Yeah.
Yes?
So that's, yes, that's right, honey. So, yeah, once we enter into the design and development contract, that just puts us into the next step, and that's, like Mike said, we bring all the trades over to the house. Anybody who's going to touch the house, the plumber, electrician, then at the same time we're working with you on all your material selections, your fixtures, anything decorative, all the flooring, all of those things that's going to come into play for your renovation. Then with all of those numbers and all those selections, we put everything together into a complete scope of project, and that is a very detailed, very specific information about your project. It's your contract. There is the contract that supports the contract. So, but that's a whole nother Facebook Live on that. But anyway, then that will have your complete project. We walk through everything with you. If we need to make any changes, we make the changes, adjust the pricing, and then you sign off on it, and then we go to construction.
Oh, my turn now. So construction is actually, for me, the fun part. It's in the scope of contract that Molly was talking about is almost like our guideline. Every single thing on there is every single thing that's going to get done. So through construction, although, of course, on the home improvement shows, it takes 30 minutes and it takes a little bit longer typically for us to do a project. But throughout the construction project...
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour for the extended version. We get together with clients twice a month, so every 2 weeks on site to discuss the project, what's happened, what's going to happen, and then of course any decisions that need to be made that weren't made originally, we address at that time.
And those progress meetings are critical. So we're talking to you on a daily basis. We're emailing, we're texting, phone calls, everything. But those in-person meetings are really, really critical. And so overall, that is, in a nutshell, I guess, our process. If you're meeting with someone, you're meeting with a general contractor and looking at doing a potential remodel, and there are no processes in place, then run away. Don't, or walk nicely away. But you have to meet with someone who has not only have the process in place, but they've done it many, many, many times. And for the purposes of our company, when we follow these steps and we follow the processes, even the processes that we have on the job site, when we do all of those things, it just makes for such a better project.
It's a smooth project. We're happy. You're happy. The trades are happy.
Less
so that's
errors.
That's how we like to run it. It works for us. It's our business model. It's proven well. So process.
So share the process.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.